So I have this very nice lady in Russellville, Kentucky. She has a dairy farm. The home that they live in has been in the home for two or three generations. Uh, Very nice home. And then she has two granddaughters that she loves to come visit her. Unfortunately, they have mold allergies. Well, she has mold in her crawl space. So now she has a dilemma. Do I sell my ancestral home or do my granddaughters not come visit me? Neither one of those are viable options. So Frontier Basement came to save the day. Hey, we can put dehumidifiers, commercial grade dehumidifiers, in your crawl space to make sure we take care of the mold. Now you can keep your home. Granddaughters can come visit. Now she needed two dehumidifiers, and she asked that we come back four different times to make sure that the humidity level, and we did. She was such a nice, sweet lady, and the concern was so imperative that we came back four different times to check the humidity level. Finally, when that fourth time, she actually cried. It was in tears that she was going to finally had found the solution to fix her problem. So definitely one of my favorite stories with Frontier Basements.